Welcome to Filmmakers, guys. Today we're unboxing a couple of Lupo lights.
We are going to start with the Superpanel Full Color 30. There it is. First impression.
Big. It's got a very matte color. In this package we have the Lupo light, power cable, a couple of accessories, and of course the manual. So it's the power adapter.
So let's mount it. Feels very solid.
Yeah, it does. So now let's light it up.
Here we got the accessory. This is the D-tap cable that goes to the V-mount. Those are extra accessories that you can get in their shop. This is the V-mount accessory. You can add it the same way as the adapter is mounted on the back of the light.
Now put the D-tap inside of the battery. That's in.
So here we got another light.
It's the Dayled 1000 dual color. So this is it. Let's put the barns on.
Yep.
And then you can lock it into place. So that's in.
So this one also feels really solid and robust.
It really does. And this one is way brighter than the other ones as well. So there's a couple of accessories you can get for this one. You have to buy them off the shop. So let's put this one aside.
Yeah, let's do it.
You have a diffuser with a box that goes on the front. You can put this diffuse inside of the box.
So in order to put this one on, you have to take these barns off. And diffuse in front of it.
So that's in.
Yep.
Let's see what this thing can do.
Yep.
As you can see, we've put the Lupo lights behind us.
And we have chosen the color red for the full color panels.
And for the spotlight we've chosen a blue leaf filter, which creates a backlight on us.
We are going to create several lighting tutorials
for different scenarios. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the first tutorial.